Let's cut across to the showdown in Bengal ahead of their assembly polls. Bengal Minister Firhad Hakim has now made a massive allegation against Border Security Force. The TMC minister claimed that BSF deployed at Indo-Bangla border is now coaxing people to vote for the BJP in the upcoming assembly elections. The Mamata government raised this issue at the meeting with the Election Commission of India. They also accused the BJP of provoking hatred in Bengal through communal speeches and requested the Election Commission to take note of it. BJP hit back at the ruling TMC, terming the remarks as baseless allegations. BJP MP Swapan Das Gupta has said that remarks show that TMC is nervous and desperate to win the polls. Meanwhile, BJP also raised demand with Election Commission to deploy central forces immediately in Bengal, citing law and order situation. Election Commission held a crucial meeting with all political parties in Kolkata today. They will be holding a press conference on this tomorrow.
The BSF, the BJP is sending BSF to the nearby villages of the border, of the border, and terrorizing the people so that they vote in favor of the BJP.
Is this your allegation or?
It is my allegation. So, before the Election Commission, we have placed this, and they told us that we have our own way to check, to cross-check the situation, and we will definitely cross-check that.
The BSF's primary job is to guard the frontiers of our country, and its jurisdiction runs for 15 kilometers across the border. I don't think there are any particular reasons to fear that suddenly the BSF has turned into a campaigning wing of the Bharatiya Janata Party. There is no such thing, and I don't think it will ever happen. The allegations are born out of a sense of desperation and out of a thing that central forces must be taken away to discredit the name of central forces, which is the main purpose of the Trinamool Congress.
Well, it's of course a sensational allegation that has been leveled by the Trinamool Congress today. This of course was raised at the Election Commission meeting which is taking place right now in Kolkata, where the full bench of the Election Commission of India is hearing representations from all political parties in the state in the run-up to the elections. Now, the Trinamool Congress, of course, made their representation. They said that the BJP was trying to foment communal trouble in Bengal, and the Election Commission somehow must act and stop that. They've also said that the BSF was terrorizing people on the border on the behest of the BJP. That's the sensational claim made by Firhad Hakim, the Bengal minister. We heard the BJP reacting to it. They have said that this is nothing but a wild allegation to discredit the central agency. And they have also said that this proves that the Trinamool Congress is extremely nervous, and it's their desperation that is only showing in such wild allegations being leveled against the central agency.
And we cut across, Mamata Banerjee's former loyalist is now readying to take her on in Nandigram. But we're going to take you through those details right after I cut across to Poulomi joining us for more details on that. Poulomi, some harsh allegations made by the TMC against the BJP, saying that they're using BSF forces to coax people along the border areas to vote for the BJP. Huge complaint that they've put forth before the Election Commission, also highlighting that BJP is making provocative communal speeches, and that should be taken note of. Take us through what more happened.
Well, these are representations which were made by various political parties before the full bench of the Election Commission led by CC Sunil Arora, who are currently visiting West Bengal in order to review the preparedness of the state ahead of the upcoming elections. The TMC, of course, made a very sensational charge before the Election Commission, saying that the BSF is trying to coax people and compel them to vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the border areas. Now, very short while ago, the BSF has in fact issued a statement and categorically denied these allegations which have been made specifically by Partho Chatterjee and Firhad Hakim of the TMC government. What the BSF has said that we are a professional border guarding force. We have been doing our duty in guarding our international borders with utmost sincerity and dedication, checking on illegal infiltration and smuggling. The kind of allegations which have been leveled against us today are completely far from the truth and baseless. And
Do
we
stay with us. That's
continue to
precisely the
stand by
breaking
our
that we
motto
bring to
of
you here. BSF now reacting on the allegations made against them by TMC. Here's the BSF reacting. BSF says that they are a professional border guarding force which has in the past and also in the present guarded our international borders with total sincerity and dedication. The BSF says that we have actively checked on illegal infiltration and smuggling and brought to book criminals involved in such activities. The statements given by S.H. Partho Chatterjee, Honorable Education Minister, and Mr. Firhad Hakim, Rural and Developmental Minister of the state, levelling allegations against BSF are without any basis and far from any truth. BSF stands firmly committed to its motto, duty unto death at all times. The BSF there reacting, saying it's absolutely false, condemning the statements made by TMC leaders. Follow me back to you. BSF now reacting that they're totally committed to their motto, duty unto death, and that's it. They've been sincerely, dedicatedly guarding our borders for time immemorial. Do not taint the image of the BSF.
The BSF has strongly refuted the allegations which have been made by the Trinamool Congress before the Election Commission full bench today. The BSF says that it is a professional border guarding force. It has been doing its duty in guarding our international borders with utmost sincerity and dedication in terms of checking illegal infiltration, smuggling and other activities, and it completely refutes the allegations as baseless and far from the truth which have been leveled against the BSF by the TMC. It stands by its motto of Jeevan Paryant Kartavya, which is duty unto death. And that is the statement which has now been released by the BSF after the TMC went to the Election Commission and said the BSF is trying to compel people to vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming West Bengal elections.
Right. Thank you very much, Paulmi, for joining us with those details. Now, gloves are truly off in the battle for Bengal, and it is Gali politics has now taken precedence after Mamata Banerjee calling BJP more dangerous than Naxalites. BJP has now hit back. BJP National General Secretary Kailash Vijayvargiya has reacted to Mamata's barb, saying that his party doesn't need any certificate from anyone. Dilip Ghosh has also countered Mamata Banerjee by calling TMC a terrorist and anti-social party. The war of words escalated with Bengal Minister Firhad Hakim saying that those who are in the BJP are terrorists and those leaving the TMC for the Saffron Party are thugs.
WhatsApp group তৈরি করেছে সব WhatsApp group তৈরি করেছে বেনামি সেই WhatsApp গ্রুপগুলোকে মনে রাখবেন একটাও বিশ্বাস করবেন না মা বোনেরা আমার বিজেপি আসলে পুরুলিয়া থাকবে না রূপসী বাংলা থাকবে না আবার মাওবাদীরা এসে আবার দেখবেন মাওবাদীদের থেকে বিজেপিরা আরো ভয়ঙ্কর মনে রাখবেন বিজেপি মাওবাদী দলের থেকেও ভয়ঙ্কর এরা হচ্ছে যেখানে ঢুকবে এরা বাস হয়ে ঢুকবে আর ফালি হয়ে বেরোবে যদি বলেন কোনটা বিষাক্ত সাপ অজগর না কেউটে যদি বলেন কোনটা বিষাক্ত সাপ কোবরা না কেউটে তাহলে মনে রাখবেন একশো বলেই শেষ তার নাম হচ্ছে বিজেপি যাকে ধরলো তাকে খেলো তাকে গিললো তাকে হজম করলো পালিয়ে গেল
माओवादियों को उन्होंने जमानत कराकर अपने चुनाव प्रचार में लगा लिया है तो अब ये कोशिश कहना चाहती हूँ देश की जनता से कि माओवादी बहुत अच्छे हैं ममता जी का सर्टिफिकेट भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है देश की जनता ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी को प्रमाण पत्र दिया है देश की जनता ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता नरेंद्र मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री दूसरी बार बनाया है इसलिए ममता जी के प्रमाण पत्र की आपको आवश्यकता नहीं है
তৃণমূলের আদর্শে কেউ নেই যিনি গান্ধীজিকে হত্যা করেছেন তৃণমূল বা গান্ধীবাদ সুভাষবাদ নিয়ে যারা বেঁচে আছে তাদের আদর্শে কেউ নেই যারা গুজরাট রাইট করেছে কেউ নেই যারা দিল্লির দাঙ্গা করেছে সুতরাং আমরা সন্ত্রাসবাদী না সন্ত্রাসবাদী হচ্ছেন যারা आरएसएस এর প্রভাবে বিজেপি করছেন
बीजेपी ये तो सही है दौलत है एजेंसी है सरकार है दुनिया का सब कुछ है तुम्हारे पास लेकिन मेरा साथ मेरा माँ है, मेरा अम्मा है। कोई माँ का लाल पैदा नहीं हुआ जो ममता से टकराएगा। सुनो बीजेपी वालों, दूध मांगो तो खीर देंगे, अगर बंगाल मांगो तो छीड़ देंगे।